Coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and man, what a cool place. If you've never been, go check it out. Even if you're not crazy about Corvettes, it's still a cool place to see a bunch of automotive history, and they do such a good job of making it interesting and interactive and having cool things there. When I was over there, they had the Ed Big Daddy Roth display, and I shot an overview of that whole display, but now I'm coming back and kind of taking a closer look at the cars that they had of his on display. And today's video, I got Tweedy Pie. Let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Probably the most recognized T-bucket. Ed Roth Tweedy Pie. What I found interesting about it is Ed actually bought it from Bob Johnston. It's thought to be some of his earliest pinstriping work, but you know, you think of him as the car builder, and this is one of his most famous cars. It sold 11 million models and still selling. The cars, I guess they're still making models of this thing today. Either way, it was cool. Doesn't matter when Bob owned it, nobody knew about it. When Ed got a hold of it, the whole world found out about it. That's kind of how it works. Just an old school hot rod, right? And to think that was, you know, I mean, I guess it still would get attention today, but you know what I mean, with today's customs and all. 265 Chevy V8, 6 Stromberg carburetors, Stromberg. That's the way they were all done. I mean, Chevys and Fords back in the day, right? A Ford and a Ford, that was really unheard of. It's a 1923 Model T on a 1932 chassis. That was cool that the model box is there, but 11 million models, can you imagine? And still selling, it said. Which led me to believe that, like I said, they're still producing this model and kids are still building it today. That's awesome. That's a legacy, right? And what's cool about what I'm able to do is preserve this for history. I'm very honored that the Corvette Museum let me come in, and the Ed Roth people have messaged me and let me know that they appreciate the videos. And really, guys, it's my honor to be able to capture history like this forever, and I think that's just cool. And then, of course, to bring it to all my followers, let you all see it. How cool is that? I got it made, don't I? So there you go, from the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Ed Big Daddy Ross Tweedy Pie. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.